Too many teams, too many channels. How do I organize them? What even are they? Let's find out. Hey there everybody, my name's Kyle, and today we're going to look at the most fundamental part of Microsoft Teams, the teams and channels themselves. This will be a basic introduction to what teams and channels are and how to organize them. We'll get into what the work is that happens inside of teams and channels in another tutorial. Let's get started. As might be self-explanatory, the most instrumental part of Microsoft Teams is the Teams area itself. Yes, inside of Teams, there are teams. Teams represent the different groups within an organization, and it could be the whole organization. You could be a member or owner of one or dozens of teams. Here we can see teams for public relations, retail, US sales, marketing, and one made for a specific project. Teams can be created from scratch or from existing Office 365 groups using the button at the bottom of this left pane. Clicking the gear next to Join or Create a Team brings up the Manage Teams view, which shows all the teams you're a member or owner of in one list. But the work actually doesn't get done inside of a team. All of the text, audio, and video conversations, the shared files, and the useful apps happen inside of channels. We can see that the project team has 5 channels. All the conversations, meetings, files, and apps in the design channel are relevant to design as a topic, but are visible to everyone in the Mark 8 project team. Clicking on a team name collapses the list of channels, making the list of teams easier to organize. You can click and drag teams to create an order that works for you. If you're a member of a team that's only relevant on occasion, you can hide that team by clicking on the ellipses and selecting the first option. This creates a new drop-down called Hidden. Click on Show to return that team to your My Teams list. You cannot change the order of channels, which, besides the general channel, default for every team, are in alphabetical order. But you can create hidden channels in the same manner. This has been just a brief introduction to teams and channels inside of Microsoft Teams. For more on managing teams, managing channels, and the work that happens inside both, be sure to check out the entire catalog of these Teams tutorial videos. Talk to you again soon. Looking for more info to help you sell even better? Head on over to Expert Zone, Microsoft's online learning platform for courses and classes on all things Microsoft.